muna naghiwalay tayo. Pag sinabi mo masaya, uwi na ako.
Kasi, nung araw nanonood ako ng napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. Kaya gusto ko siyang tawagan para ipaliwanag sa...
Ay, ba't di mo ako tinawagan?
Mas maganda siyempre kung meron akong binubuhusan ng di ba?
Ba't di mo ako binuhusan?
Hindi kita mabubuhusan. Dadamputin pa kita.
Ba't di mo ako tinapos?
Pali ka na.
Ba't ngayon hindi mo ko kaya? Walang tayong dalawa. Okay.
Diba?
But diba, it's been a journey of self-discovery between us, kahit di tayo magkasama.
Yes. Alam niyo, tayong mga katulad namin, marami tayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Kayo, bilib na bilib ako sa inyo because nandito kayo ngayon sa Canada. Imagine, yung hirap na dinaanan ninyo, nandito kayo ngayon and you're successful. Not everybody is in your shoes. Sino ba nang worth bumili ng magkano yung ticket? Grabe. Grabe.
Tsaka nagkapangyo sa atin recently, it's nakaka-break ng heart yung may mababalitaan tayo tungkol sa nangyayari sa bayan natin.
Yes.
But those are things beyond our control. So you're blessed to be here.
Yes, and the reason why we're together is because, and we're all together, is because kahit na papano, we gave it one more chance. Diba?
That's right.
So at least,
It's very touching kasi kahit na nagkaroon kami na yung time apart, gumawa siya ng projects niya, gumawa ako ng projects ko. Hindi niyo po kami nilimot. Sana ho, whether we're together on a show or a project or not, sana you continue po supporting us. Thank you so much. We love you po so much. You make our hearts sing.
and just like you, if you're going through a personal relationship na parang yung pinagdaanan namin, everybody deserves one more try. Can we do this?
Hello din po sa inyo lahat na hindi pa makamove on sa aming dalawa. Kami mo nakamove on na. Pero ginagawa namin ito para sa inyo mga hindi ba? We love you po. You're right. Should we stay or should we say goodbye? Walk away or give it one more try. Why waste till there are dreams just fly? And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why.
Are we glad to find one day we're free? Walk away. Is this what we really want to do? Brand new life, we need to have so much. It really is quite tough when love is not enough. Have to change. One that made us drift away. Hurting words we should not even say. Hold my hand and look straight in my eyes. If we can say ayan, nakaka-emote, diba? Nakaka-emotional yung dinadaan
Pinapakinggan natin every concert.
Grabe,
Nagre-replay ang mga buhay natin.
kakayanan na naman natin, ano? Pang-ilan na natin to?
Six.
Anim.
Dalawa na lang, uwi na
Dalawa
tayo.
na lang. Oh, nakakalungkot naman. Sana magpunta tayo ng Europe.
Parang may plano. Parang may iba pang bansa. Iba pang
Okay.
continent.
So, meron akong gusto sanang mangyari. When love is not enough,
Tell me why do we find each other?
only to part ways.
In the end, tell me why we learn to love each other.
Are we glad to find one day we're free? Walk away. Is this what we really want to do? Brand new life, we need to have so much. It really is quite tough. Promise I will stay. I'm with you all the way.
Friends will soon regretting we once met. Thank you so much. Eh ngayon, panonoorin tayo sa kanila.
Panurin po natin
Panoorin niyo
ito.
po yung pag-uusap namin dito sa mga
Yes, po.
in-interview kami magkahiwalay.
Ako, panurin natin ito. Ito yung mga masasarap na comments.
They say true love don't exist no more, that it's too good to be true. But from day one, I knew I was staring in the eyes of the one that I would give my heart to. I found you late in life, unexpected. You said hello and took my breath away. And from that moment on, nothing else mattered than to have you right beside me every day.